So we just got 2 new props for our work boat. And we went with a turning point Express. I believe this is the Mach 3 or Mach 3 Express OS. And the Flow Torq hub kits from Quicksilver. And this is for a Honda 250. Actually 135 all the way to 250. So I'm gonna get this opened up and show you how easy it is to put these together, as I do everything one-handed. Use my knife just to cut that tape. So we'll see what we've got inside this box here. As I lose my washer rolling across the room. So we've got the hub insert, which is at here. You have the Honda insert, which fits inside this hub insert once it's in the prop. You got your thrust washer to go to the Honda. Comes with a castle nut, washer, and a cotter pin. So I'll get this turning point prop opened up. So to put this together, flip the prop. So you're looking at the back of it. Pull the insert out of your hub. Put it large side down. You see those flat sides? On that, you can see you got edges where those flat pieces fit in there. That drops in. Press it in, and as you torque it down, this calls for 75 foot-pounds. It'll fit in there right. Flip the prop back over. Put your insert in that side. Stick it on the shaft of the boat and torque it down.